Hi there, welcome back to our kitchen. I'm Lauren, this is Casey. We're two of Festival's mealtime mentors, and today we are sharing a vegan version of an Italian favorite.
That's right, Lauren. Today we are making vegan stuffed shells with spinach, and we promise that even if you don't follow a vegan diet, you're going to want to make these.
Yes, so hopefully we did not scare you away by saying these are vegan.
Yes.
So another word we could say they're plant-based.
Yes.
So we are using a plant-based protein in these shells today, which is really fun. So what we've done so far is really the star of our filling are cashews. So these are just raw cashews. They're not roasted or salted, just raw cashews you can find in our natural organic department in the bulk section. And what we've done is just soak them in water overnight. So essentially this just softens them up. So when we put them in our food processor, they get nice and soft when we blend them. So we're going to add these to our food processor, our soaked and softened cashews. Then we're adding in some fresh lemon juice, garlic, which is really nice. And then we're adding in some salt and pepper. And then we're just going to, whoops, don't want to knock that over, blend this up in our food processor until it's a nice, like, crumbly type consistency. All right.
Those cashews are processed so easily when they're soaked.
Yes, yep. We definitely do not want to skip that step. You want to soak them for sure. All right, so I just took out the blade, and next I'm going to just add this to our bowl over here where we're going to mix the rest of our ingredients.
And one of the ingredients is going to be another plant-based protein, which is tofu.
Yeah.
So it just kind of adds, again, a little extra protein, but it also has a really nice texture for the filling of these shells.
A little bit more here. All right. Let's stick this back on here. So, like Casey said, we're adding in some tofu. So this is just regular firm tofu. Tofu also comes in a silken version, and we don't want to use that type in this one because this is going to be a little bit more that crumbly type texture, which is what we're looking for. Then we're adding in some chopped spinach, chives, oregano, and crushed red pepper, so all those Italian flavors, and we're just mixing this up, and this is the extent of our filling. So super easy.
And you could substitute another like heartier green like kale or something instead of the spinach if you would like.
That would be really good. All right, this looks good, and you can't even see now with the tofu and the cashews in here, you can't even tell the difference. They look identical.
They do. All right, so next step is we're going to cover the bottom of our baking dish. This is a 9 by 13 with some pasta sauce. And this recipe is kind of nice because we end up using a whole jar of pasta sauce. This is just a part of it, but it's kind of nice because then you don't have to worry about what to do with the leftovers.
Yes. So we're using a larger baking dish here just because we have lots of shells.
Yes. All right, and then we're going to stuff our shells. So we've already made these shells per the package directions. You could certainly use like a gluten-free noodle if you needed to.
Yep.
So we're just gonna fill each one.
And we're just gonna show you how to fill a couple of them. So you don't have to watch us just fill the whole baking dish. But you definitely wanna just fill up the baking dish as much as possible.
This looks so much like ricotta cheese.
It does, and that's really what we're going for here.
Whoopsie.
But sometimes it's good to incorporate some of those plant-based proteins into your diet. It's just, number one, it's just kind of fun and different. So maybe once a week trying more of a meatless type meal, or even just incorporating some plant-based protein into your meat-based dishes as well.
Right. All right, one more, I think.
One more. So these are fun because they make great leftovers as well.
Yes, that's always a plus.
And something fun too, you could get the kids in the kitchen, they could help you fill them.
Definitely. All right, so once you have all of your shells stuffed, then we're just gonna top with the remaining pasta sauce that we have. So I'll just kind of pour a little bit on top of these.
And then just add a little drizzle of olive oil, just for a little extra flavor here.
Yeah.
Good.
All right.
So
take
these
these
would
back.
bake in the oven at 350 for about 25 minutes, really, and just until it gets nice and bubbly and hot, since everything in there is really already cooked. We're just essentially warming it up.
All right. We've got these already baked.
So good.
And these, as you can see, are not in 9x13, but any baking dish will really do.
Yes. All right. And you want to get some of that extra sauce in here too.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yum. They smell delicious.
Amazing. This looks like a good one.
Yeah.
All right. There you go.
Thank you.
I got to get some of the filling on
Oh,
here.
yeah. See how that cashew works out. I love all of the Italian flavors. It really helps to make this what it is.
It tastes so much like ricotta, but I think the texture is even better than ricotta.
I would agree.
To be honest. Well, we hope you try something new this week.
And for more recipes and resources from your mealtime mentors, visit bestfoods.com.